Now we are going to prepare our prawns. I have with me over here 8 pieces of large prawns, weighing a total of 500 grams with shell and head on. I've deveined it, I've taken out the head, I've taken out the shell, and I've made them into a pretty flower like this, and I'm going to show you how I do this. This is the prawn, and I've removed the head and the shell. And what we have to do over here to make it into a beautiful flower is first we need to devein it. Cut about 2/3 through in the middle like this. Remove the vein here, right? Just pull it out, cut it off, put it aside. Approximately 1 finger away, poke your knife through like this, make a slit, just cut it through a little bit like this. Pick up your prawn, turn the tail over, holding the sharp point here like this, slide it through the hole. It should be fairly easy to do. Put it down, spread out the tail like this, and it's pretty. Right, this is how we do this. Continue to do the rest, and I'll show you the next step after this.